guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about two face cream moisturizers, and yes, these moisturizers are cream based, which are perfect for oily skin, acne prone skin, and the dry skin which needs that intense hydration. And also they are good for sensitive skin and the skin who are facing early signs of the aging. These are the two face creams that I'm talking about, and one is the day cream and another one is the night cream. And these face creams are from this brand called Neemly Naturals. So starting with the packaging, this is how the cream comes in, and I really like this cardboard packaging and this minimalistic details and the labeling on the packet. Brand claims that all the products are handmade, they are cruelty free and vegan. I really like when brands are so considerate not only about their products but also about the packaging and what kind of packaging they are giving in this market, which are specially good for the environment, and as you can say, it is very environment friendly. So I'm gonna take you through with the day cream first, and this is how the packaging looks like. The two main ingredients of the day cream are listed on the labeling itself, argan and rose, so that you know what you're getting inside this tub, and the rest of the ingredient details are printed over here on the bottle. So if I may read it out, you have sea buckthorn oil, then you have grapeseed oil, apricot, jojoba oil, rose oil, and all these products are 100% natural and organic, and this brand is organic certified, which is written right up here on the labeling. So you know that whatever you're getting is 100% natural and organic. So now let me take you through the ingredients of this day cream. As I said, it has argan oil in it, which is very lightweight, and also has vitamin E oil in it, which is another anti-aging superhero that helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles. This cream is also infused with kokum butter, which makes it intensely hydrating. So if you're someone who has dry skin or combination skin, you can definitely give it a try, because this will give instant boost of hydration to your skin and also will not make your skin look very greasy or sticky. This cream is also infused with sea buckthorn oil, and which helps in brightening up the complexion. Now guys, by brightening up, I do not mean it make you fairer or whiten up your skin, because I don't abide by that concept. By brightening, it means if you have dull skin, if you have tan skin, it will make your skin very youthful and glowing by giving that boost of instant hydration, and that's how your skin will look brighter. It also has caffeine powder in it. Now caffeine powder helps in stimulating the blood flow and also reduces the puffiness from your face. Now the another important ingredient in this day cream is rose oil, and rose oil is full of vitamins, antioxidants, which helps in reducing the acne and pimples from your face. So if you're someone who has acne prone skin like I do, then you can definitely go ahead and give it a try, because it will help in healing your acne prone skin. And rose oil also helps in boosting collagen, which makes your skin firmer and improves the elasticity of skin, which in the end helps you in delaying your aging process. So if you're someone who's facing the early signs of aging, then you can definitely give this one a try. The texture is very buttery, it sits very well and get absorbed instantly to make your skin feel soft and supple. So now coming on to the pricing part, this is 50 ml that you get for rupees 925. You can also check out the website for extra discounts. Now let's move on to the night cream, and this is the night cream. Now the two main ingredients in night cream are hibiscus and saffron. So hibiscus helps in boosting the hydration in your skin, and saffron restores the skin natural glow. So this cream is again good for your hydration and for brightening up your complexion, which is bringing out the glow on your face. Not just saffron and hibiscus, it also consists of shea butter, which helps in boosting the hydration and also stimulates the collagen production. Apart from shea butter, it also has caffeine powder in it. Now caffeine powder helps in reducing the puffiness, so the next morning when you will wake up, your skin will be refreshed and hydrated. There will be no puffiness around your face. It also has avocado oil in it, which helps in reducing fine lines, wrinkles and aging spots. So if you're facing early signs of aging, you can definitely try it out for reducing those fine lines and aging spots. So this cream is ultra hydrating. It helps in brightening up your skin. It also improves the elasticity of skin and helps your skin look more younger and youthful, and also make your skin look hydrated throughout the day. So let me show you how the night cream looks like. It is very creamy, and again like the day cream, it also sits perfect on your skin and get absorbed instantly. Also, I have used half of the tub of this night cream and I really like these creams, guys. They are really good, and for a person like me who doesn't like very thick or greasy creams on the face, these are perfect. They give me instant hydration without making my skin look oily or greasy. Coming on to the pricing part of the night cream, it is 50 ml that you get for rupees 975. So guys, one of the good thing about these creams are none of them have any added fragrance to it, and by that I mean there's no synthetic fragrance added in these creams. However, when you will smell them, there is an essence and a beautiful aroma of the oil blends, and also these creams are free from parabens, sulfate, petroleum and artificial color, which makes them 100% natural and very safe to use on your face. I would highly recommend these creams to you guys. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you liked the review, and I would highly recommend these creams to you guys because I think they cater to every skin type, so you can definitely try them out. And guys, if you try these products out, then definitely share your feedback with me in the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And before I sign up, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and also please follow me on Instagram for more fashion, beauty and travel related content. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.